Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set split screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, open any app in your phone. Here I open Google Chrome. For split screen, go to this recent tab navigation button and click over the icon of the Google Chrome here, and you will see options here. Just select here open in split screen view. So screen will be split into two parts. In the first part you will see the Google Chrome that is already you have opened, and you will see empty screen in the second part, which includes home screen. Now you can open here any other app. Here I open WhatsApp. Okay, so if you want to adjust the height of the split, you can drag like this. Okay, it will be adjusted. If you want to click on these three dots, and you can click on this arrow mark, and second part will go to the first part will come to the second. Okay, see here. If you want to close the second part, just drop like this, and the second part will close, and normal screen will come for the first part. Okay, so in this way you can easily use split screen for any app. For example, if you want to use two apps at the same time, by referring other app, you can use another app. For example, if you want to type something from WhatsApp. Okay, if you have taken some numbers in WhatsApp, and if you want to type it, so you can easily keep open WhatsApp at the same time. You can keep opening another app. Okay, so from WhatsApp, just you can make note of what is to be referred. Okay, from that reference you can just write whatever maybe. If you are taking phone number, just you can from WhatsApp just note it, and you can type in the other. Okay, so in this way you can easily use two apps at the same time. That's the purpose for purpose of a split screen in our phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.